Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a dyslexic computer science student from Imperial College London, and I'm currently interning as a forward deployed software engineer at Palantir. I recently built a pronunciation learning app with 6 teammates. We built it over 8 weeks, rotating between code bases every 2 weeks. And this presented a problem. Being dyslexic, we were writing a lot of code. I had to then understand all of the code of the team from the previous 2-week sprint. And that was really hard. So we've just done our rotation, and now I'm working on adding more analytics to the back end. GitHub Copilot is going to give me this overview of the entirety of the analytics backend codebase. And I'm specifically going to be working on the exercise analytics dashboards. I want to know more about this specifically, so I could ask it, could you give me a deeper dive? And it will have a very solid answer. They'll be able to give me deep diving into this specific area, so I can now go and add whatever I need to, because it's been able to explain it to me both at a high level and then deep dive on this specific aspect. Using GitHub Copilot, I was able to quickly move across the code base, understand what each of my teammates had been doing, and this allowed me to build more features on top of their code, because I was able to query the code base in its entirety and build nicer and a better user experience for my end users.